Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the controller and console so changes stick. First, update both console and controller firmware. This prevents unexpected behavior. Then charge the controller above 50% or plug it in via USB to avoid power dropouts while testing. Finally, disable temporary energy-saving apps or set console sleep to a longer interval so you can change settings without interruptions. Once done, you'll be ready to dive into settings that control automatic shutoff and test them reliably. Now adjust the system and controller timeout settings directly. Go to Settings, then General, then Power Mode and Startup, and find the Turn Off After option. Set it to the longest available interval that fits your use case. For Windows or PC, use devices Bluetooth and other devices to modify controller properties and disable automatic disconnect if present. If your controller still sleeps, keep it connected via USB or use a low-power peripheral to simulate activity. Make sure to finish by testing and, if necessary, troubleshooting. Leave the controller idle for the length you set to confirm it no longer powers off. If it still does, run the controller firmware updater and reapply settings. If problems persist, unpair and repair the controller or try fresh batteries or a different USB cable to rule out hardware power issues. One key troubleshooting tip: if firmware and settings are correct but auto-off remains, factory reset the console's power settings and reconfigure them to eliminate corrupted preferences.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.